Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lina. So today I am here to make an announcement about my new online course, and I have helped already a lot of you through my personal training, and a lot of you were able to pass the exam and get the score you want. But personal training and personal sessions one-on-one can get expensive, and it's not affordable to everyone. So I decided to produce an online course that would be available to anyone, doesn't matter where you are. You can purchase it on Udemy, and then you can have those videos. And I also included an ebook, and I included the links where you can go and practice online for free, as well as check your answers. And you will always have those videos, so you can always get back if you forget something. So the first course just came live yesterday, and the first one is for the speaking part. It covers all the 4 or 5 questions that come in the speaking part. I'll take you through all the questions one by one and explain the right techniques, how you should do them. And then after each question you have a link where you can go and practice. Also, you can have the ebook that you can download and print out with all the templates, so you will have all the resources that you need to go and practice on your own for the speaking part. I will be releasing courses that cover other parts as well soon, but for today I'm gonna leave the link to my Udemy course, so you can press the link and go and check it out. And I will also include a discount code for 50 people who will be first to purchase the course. So I hope that you will check it out and you will find it helpful. So it's just an alternative for me teaching you one-on-one. You will have me on the video, and it's going to be a very similar experience, but that way I hope I will be able to help more people. So thank you for watching this short video, and have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video.